Today we're going to start with a quick dash to review the characters that we already know. Quick dash.
Quick dash. Create your order by clicking on the cards.
Well, I'm clicking the characters. I want you to
the
name the
style.
characters. When I ask you, I want you to tell me the names and the sounds and the spellings. Character, Annie Apple. Sound, A, spelling, A. Character, Eddie Elephant. Sound, E, spelling, E. Character, Impy Ink. Sound, I, spelling, I. Character, Oscar Orange. Sound, Ah, spelling, O. Character, Uppy Umbrella. Sound, spelling, U. Characters, Mr. A and Mr. I. Sound, A, spelling, A-I. Characters, Mr. A, Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Sound, A, spelling, A-Y. Characters, Mr. E and Mr. A. Sound, E, spelling, E-A. Characters, Mr. I and Mr. E. Sound, I, spelling, I-E. Characters, Mr. O and Mr. A. Sound, O, spelling, O-A. Characters, Oscar Orange, Walter Walrus, and Mr. O, who says, "Oh, no, you don't," spelling, or sound, excuse me, O, and spelling, O-W. Mr. I, blank, magic E, sound, I, spelling, I, blank, E. Mr. I, golden girl, hairy hat man, sound, I, spelling, I-G-H. Excellent. You did well with those. Now, let's take the character off and see if you can tell me the spellings. 1, 2, ready, go. I, O, I, E, A, I, A. Excellent. Let's see if we can do that a little bit quicker. 1, 2, ready, go. A, I, E, I, O, I. Okay, now I'm going to go through them and see if you can do them all by yourself. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to go back now, and we have to go back to the very beginning, and we're going to do word building now. Now, it's your turn.
Click on the cards you would like to build words with.
While I'm getting this stuff
ready,
ready,
change the font style or turn the characters on and off using the buttons shown.
While I'm getting these cards pulled down,
in the preview window, you can hear the sound.
She likes to talk.
By double-clicking a card, you can toggle the characters on and off. When you are ready, press Go to start building words.
Okay, so I'm ready to talk now. So what you're going to do, if you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper, you can get that and a pencil so you can write these words as we're trying to build them together. We're gonna, let me go ahead and pull down the cards that we need this time. And you can say the characters as I do that if you'd like. Or maybe you're getting your paper and pencil ready, or your whiteboard ready and your eraser, so we can spell these words. Now remember, I'm going to do it just like I normally do. I'm going to pretend like I'm pitching it to you, and I'll tell you a sentence, I'll pitch it, you catch it and say the word, and then we'll tap it together and you can write the word. Okay, let's see if we can press go. Okay, the first word that I want you to try to spell is night. Night. I like to play outside at night. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Night. Let's tap it. Night. Night. Okay, you write it. I'm going to pull it down and you can check your answer. I night. Excellent. The next word that I want you to spell is light. Your hair is a light color. Light. Ready? Catch. Light. Let's tap it. Light. Light. I want you to write it. Okay, now I hope you saw that all you have to do is take that N off and put Lucy Lamplight right down here. See if you spell this word correctly. Light. Light. Excellent. The next word is lie. Lie. It is not nice to lie to someone. Ready? Catch. Lie. Let's tap it. I. Lie. Now let's see if you can spell it. I'm going to get rid of the things that I don't need. Okay, let's see if we have it correct now. I. Lie. Very good if you spelled it just like that. Okay, the next word that we're going to spell is pie. Everyone likes to eat pie. Get ready to catch. Catch. Pie. Let's tap it. Pie. Pie. You write it. I hope you see that all you have to do is you move Lucy Lamplight and put Peter Puppy there. Let's tap that now. Pie. Very good. The next word is pies. Mama made 3 pies for Easter Sunday. Pies. Ready? Catch. Pie. Let's see if you can spell it. Excuse me, pies. See if you can spell pies. Okay, all I have to do, remember to make this more than one, is to bring this sleepy Sammy over here. Pies. The next word I need you to spell is might. My mom might let me go to the movies with you. Might. Ready? Catch. Might. Let's tap. I. Might. Now you try to spell it. Okay, let's tap this together. Let's see if we're right. Might. Might. Excellent. Now the next word is tight. Tight. Oh, nope. We're not going to do tight this time. We're going to do right. Let's put that. Let's get ready. Right. I will stand on the right. Right. Let's ready? Catch. Right. Tap it. Right. Right. You write it. Let's see if you can spell it. All I have to do is move that munching mic and put this red robot here. Excellent. Okay, we're going to try to make one of the words that we've already done past tense. Past tense. The word is lied. The little boy lied to his mom. Get ready to catch. Catch. Lied. Let's tap it. Lied. Lied. Let's see if we're correct. Lied. Lied. The little boy lied to his mom. Okay. Now we're going to do the word lies. Lies. She never tells lies. Lies. Ready? Catch. Lies. Let's tap it. Eyes. Lies. Now you write it. Remember, I just had to take that D off and put this Sleepy Sammy here to make the word lies. Excellent. You did an excellent job. Now we're going to go back. We're going to X this out.
Are you ready to quit?
And we are
Bye-bye.
going to go to
See
our
you again
sentences
soon.
for the week. Hopefully they'll come up, and here they are. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger, and I pulled these up. I'm going to go through them, and I'm going to read each one for you. Number 1, her coat is in the hall. Number 2, I hope we get to eat soon. Number 3, will the show be done by 9? Number 4, I always listen to my coach. Number 5, their dog seems to just grow and grow. Number 6, we are waiting for the train. Number 7, we saw the goats playing by the gate. Number 8, their boat had a hole in it. Number 9, it could not float. Number 10, can you reach the plates from there? Excellent job. Now I want you to go and read these to your parents. Until next time.